Good morning, everyone. This is Patrick Little in the Eyewitness News studios, and we've been following all sorts of breaking news regarding the coronavirus, of course. Now, another piece of breaking news that's not only going to rock the entire nation, but definitely going to shock many people here in New England. Tom Brady announcing earlier this morning that he is leaving the Patriots after 20 years with the organization. He posted something on Instagram just before 9 o'clock this morning saying he wanted to thank all the incredible fans and Patriot supporters. This has been his home for 20 years. He wishes every player could experience what he experienced over the last 20 years in New England. He will continue playing football, he says. He goes, "I don't know what my football future holds, but it is time for me to open up a new stage for my life and also my career." So again, breaking news this morning after 20 years with the Patriots, 6 Super Bowl titles, MVPs, all sorts of playoff appearances, parades, memories, you name it. Tom Brady announcing this morning that he is leaving the New England Patriots, and apparently Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Los Angeles Chargers, 2 of the teams at the top of his list as far as where he'd like to continue his football career. Of course, Yanni Caracas, sports director, will have much more on this breaking news throughout the day on Eyewitness News and WPRI.com.